Hi, my name is Mackenzie Smith. Most of my friends and family call me Kenzie. I live with my fiance Kayla and our 2 year old son Lucas. Lucas is absolutely amazing. He's getting really creative at his age, and some of his favorite things to do are watch Blue's Clues, and we also got him a Pete the Cat book, so we've been listening to a lot of Pete the Cat songs on repeat. Some of my favorite activities to do with my family is really anything outdoorsy. My son really enjoys going to the zoo. We like taking him there. It's so cute to watch him mock all the different animals and name the different animals that he sees. We also really like going on walks through trails. I really enjoy that because on the side I really like to take pictures, and taking pictures of scenery is just so fun to do with me and my family, and taking pictures of all of us while we're there. Um, I am a sophomore this year and I am majoring in elementary education. I decided to major in elementary education because the first 6 years of my life I was raised by my grandma, and she had an at-home daycare for early education. She ran a preschool, and watching her just adore those children and putting them first and helping them grow was absolutely amazing. And I furthered this when I was in high school. I was in an ANTHUS program. It was called Early Education, and I worked with children ages 3 to 5. And through that experience, I realized I did like working with older children, which is ultimately how I decided to be an elementary education major. As far as hopes and dreams, I hope to teach either the second or third grade. I haven't quite narrowed that down, but one of the lower grades for sure in an elementary school. And when I am a teacher, I hope that I am able to travel during the summer and teach during the school year. And also, I would like to grow a family with my fiance. Well, I hope you all have a great semester and a fabulous year.